Hey crochet friends, remember that burgundy cream square motif we made a few days ago? Well, guess what? Today we're giving it a twist. I turned that same floral design into a triangle, and we're using both to create something super fun, a crochet bandana like this. Let's get started. I'm using a 2.5mm crochet hook and Gazelle baby cotton yarn. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook under it and bring the yarn out and make a chain. This is how we make magic ring. Then make 4 chains and make a double crochet into the ring. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Then make another double crochet into the ring plus 1 chain. Do this for the 3 more times. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, make 1 more double crochet into the ring and 1 chain. Look, make 2 double crochet into the ring, first and second, then make 1 chain. One more time, 2 double crochet plus 1 chain. And now 3 chains and join with the slip stitch to the magic ring here and make a chain. Close the ring in the middle by pulling on the loops in the end. Here, pull it as you can. Okay. Like this. For the round 2, with your next color, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the 3rd chain in the first here, bring the yarn out. Now pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Also, you can make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet here in the space between the chains of the first and the double crochet. Then go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet in there. And in the next chain space here, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. These stitches are making our top of the triangle. Okay, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the same space. Okay, and third, go to the next chain space and make 3 double crochet in there. And into the last chain space here, make 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain here. Okay, insert your hook into the 3rd chain and make a double crochet plus 1 chain and cut the tail of the yarn. With the first color, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the first double crochet and make a double crochet in there, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. And now go to the next space between the double crochets, make 3 double crochet in there. Go to the next space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, make 3 double crochet in there. Go to the chain to a space on the top of the triangle, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet into the chain to a space. In the top of the triangle. Now, in the next side of our triangle, do the same. Make 3 double crochet into the space of the 3 double crochets. Go to the next next space between 2 clusters of double crochets. Make 3 double crochet in there. And into the first double crochet here, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. and make a chain and cut the tail of the yarn. I'll hide my tail of the yarns in the end. Okay, for the last round, wrap a yarn around your hook and make a slip knot. Insert your hook into the first stitch, make 2 single crochet in there, and then make 1 single crochet into each next stitches you have on your row until you receive to the chain 2 space of the top of the triangle. Okay, just making 1 single crochet into each stitches. Okay, into the chain space, make 3 single crochet. Again, make 1 single crochet into each next stitches until you receive to the last stitch. If you enjoyed this video and haven't subscribed yet, I love to have you in my crochet family. Just tap that subscribe button and feel free to share it with your friends too. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay. Make 2 single crochet into the last stitch, make a chain and cut the tail of the yarn, and now we're gonna fasten off all the tail of the yarn we have on our triangle. As you can see, this triangle is perfect match for the square we made before. It's actually half of it. I'm gonna use these cuties to create a beautiful bandana. Just make 5 triangles and 10 squares and wait for my next video. Okay, for the secure the tail of the yarns of a square using a needle and just keep moving between the stitches and don't push too hard the needle. Just secure the tail of the yarn between the stitches very well and then cut the tail of the yarn. Do this for the all tail of the yarn you have on your triangle. After that, crocheting this motif, you can steam it with the steam iron. At the end of the previous video that I placed the link of it for you in the description box, I show you how to steam block this motif. Okay, if this little motif made your crochet heart happy, why not share the joy? Don't forget tap the subscribe button and let's keep creating together. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.